Hi, my name is Andrew Trolio, and I'm a test engineer at New Age Industries. Today, we're going to go over how to properly install a few types of clamps used to attach barb fittings to tubing. There's no single clamp that's correct for an application, so in most cases, your application's pressure, temperature, environment, appearance, and cost, which includes both the cost of the clamp plus the labor time to install it, will help determine which clamp to use. New Age stocks 3 styles of clamps that can be applied by hand: Oetiker ear type, worm gear, which is also known as screw type, and double bond, also called double grip or double tooth. Let's take a look at each one. Oetiker clamps breathe and adapt to the expansion and contraction of a hose that's affected by thermodynamics or aging. They're lightweight and compact, a good choice when space is tight. Their design makes them tamper-proof, although it also means that they're single-use clamps. New Age stocks Oetiker clamps in a few different styles: 1 ear, 2 ear, and 1 ear stepless. 1 ear clamps are tightened at one location, the dimpled protrusion, while 2 ear Oetikers need to be tightened at both ears. The 1 ear stepless style helps ensure uniform pressure on the inner circumference of the clamp. To install an Oetiker clamp, slip it over the end of the hose, insert a barb fitting, and then position the clamp. For 1 ear clamps, close the gap at the ear with pincers, using enough force to ensure a tight assembly. Be sure to crimp the clamp with a single tool stroke, since a second layer of force can damage the clamp. On 2 ear clamps, you'll need to tighten both ears. The 1 ear stepless clamp is tightened the same as a standard 1 ear clamp. Here's a situation to be aware of. If the inner halves of the earpieces touch like this, the clamp was too large and you may not have a leak-tight assembly. Remove the clamp and redo the assembly with the smaller clamp. Oetiker clamp installations are comparatively quick, and the resulting hose assembly provides a neat, professional appearance. There's no bulky housing that sticks out from the connection. To remove an Oetiker clamp, use the pincers to bite away at the ear of the material until you can grip the clamp and pull it away. New Age carries Oetiker pincers in 3 styles: standard jaw, side jaw for applications in confined spaces, and narrow jaw for small clamps and tight spaces. Standard pliers can be used, but the pincers do a better job because they're designed specifically for applying Oetiker ear type clamps. For high volume uses, pneumatic pincers are available. Moving on to worm gear or screw type clamps. This style needs no special tools for installation, just a flathead screwdriver or hex tool. Like Oetiker clamps, you should place the clamp on the hose before inserting the fitting. Once the components are in place, tighten the screw and the assembly is complete. You can unscrew, remove, and reuse this type of clamp. They're more forgiving than ear-type clamps regarding the range of connection sizes that the clamp will work well with. New Age also stocks a nylon clamp that uses a double row of teeth for fastening. We call this product Kwik Clamp. You don't need any tools to install a Kwik Clamp, but a pair of pliers can be useful to ensure a tight attachment. Place the clamp on the hose and install the fitting. Squeeze the sides of the clamp and the teeth will interlock. Continue squeezing until you have an appropriate fit. You'll need to have a minimum of 3 teeth engaged for a Kwik Clamp to be considered installed. Kwik Clamps can be removed by pushing apart the teeth by hand or with a tool. Once removed, you can reuse the clamps. There's no set amount of force for determining how much to tighten a worm gear or double bond hose clamp, because variables such as hose hardness or softness, wall thickness, and the fitting's barb, OD, and design are involved. New Age stocks Oetiker clamps in stainless steel and zinc-plated carbon steel. Worm gears are constructed of stainless steel, and Kwik Clamps are made from nylon 6/6. Size ranges from 5/32 of an inch through 6-inch nominal OD, and availability depends on the style of clamp. Be aware that the size of the clamp is more critical if you're choosing an Oetiker clamp over worm gears or Kwik Clamps. All 3 styles come in a range of sizes, but because worm gears and Kwik Clamps can be tightened a little or a lot, they'll work with a wider range of tubing and fitting sizes. If you'll be choosing Oetikers in a high volume installation, it's best to test your components first to make sure you've selected the correct clamp size. You can find more details about our clamps on our website. And if you have any questions, please give us a call or go to the Contact Us tab on our website and send an email. We'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.